In this video, I'll show you how you can find the ancient city and teleport to it in Minecraft. Now, first step is you want to be on either a creative world or survival world where you press open to LAN and then you want to press commands on and then open the server. Now, once you've done that, that means cheats are enabled, and we're going to need those when we want to TP to the ancient city. So what you want to do is press enter, type /locate space structure space Minecraft ancient _city, press enter, and then press T again and click on the coordinates right here. Now this will type this message for you, and you're just going to press enter. Now what this will do is it will TP you over there, and what you want to do is make sure your T right here, so let's go up or down. You can see my Y coordinate is moving down as I'm moving down. So we want to just go all the way until we find the ancient city. So let's just dig down real quick. It can be pretty far down, so just do like that. And now we are in here. We don't want to be here. We want to go further down. And there we go. Now you can see we found the ancient city. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.